Hello dear students, welcome to my English class. I am MD Alam Ghazi, Assistant Teacher English, Khonakebi Secondary School, Dakop, Khulna. I hope you are fine and safe. I am also well. Today I am going to conduct my English class for the students of class 8. Dear students, look at these pictures. This is a pen. This is an umbrella. The book is on the table. In this sentence, we use a, an and the before noun. In the first sentence, a is used before pen and the pen may be big or small, red or yellow, and it is not definite. In the second sentence, we use an before umbrella and the umbrella may be big or small, red or yellow, and it is not definite. In the third sentence, we use the before book and it is definite. The book is on the table. Dear students, can you guess what is our today's topic? Yes, our today's topic is article. Here we have some learning outcomes. After finishing the lesson, students will be able to define article and its classification, narrate the use of a, an and the, fill in the gap with article. Dear learners, at first we have to know what is article. The words a or and the are called article. There are two kinds of article, indefinite and definite. A or an is called indefinite article and it points out the person or things indefinitely. The is called definite article and it points out the person or things definitely. Dear students, now we will see the use of a or an. Usually we have to use a before consonant sound and an before vowel sound. For example, he has a horse. Here we use a before horse because the word horse starts with consonant sound s, so we use a before horse. We eat an egg every day. Here we use an before egg because the word egg starts with vowel sound e, so we will use an before egg. If any vowel is pronounced as u sound, we have to use a before of that sound. For example, computer is a useful device. Here in the sentence we use a before useful because here u is pronounced as u, so we use a before useful. We have to use an, a word which starts with o, but a will be used before one. For example, she gave me a 1 taka note. Here we use a before 1 because before 1 we will use a. If abbreviation pronounced like vowel sound, then we have to use an, and when it pronounced like consonant sound, we have to use a. For example, my father is an MA. Here we use an before MA because M is pronounced like vowel sound, so we use and. In the second sentence, my uncle is a BA. Here we use A before BA because B pronounced like consonant sound, so we use A before B. We have to use A before couple, dozen, score, 100, 1000, million. For example, he earns 100 taka a day. We use A or an to talk about something for the first time. For example, once there was an old farmer in a village. Here we use an before old, and we told about this old man for the first time. Dear students, an is used before consonant if the first s of a word is silent. For example, Mr. Ahmed is an honest man. Here we use an before honest because the first word of the honest s is silent here, so we use an before honest. We use a or an to refer to something unspecified. For example, they bought some fruits from a shop. Here we use a before shop. Dear learners, now we will see the omission of a or an. A or an is omitted before meals. For example, we have breakfast at 9 a.m. A or an is omitted before a plural noun. For example, boys are playing in the field. A or an is omitted before uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means that cannot be counted. For example, he gave me good advice. A or an is omitted before water, milk, oil, ink, hydrogen, paper, tea. For example, we write on paper. Dear students, now I will give some MCQ question to you. Choose the correct answer. First question, give me dash 1 taka note. A N, B A, C cross, D the. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. Give me a 1 taka note. Second question, gold is dash precious metal. A, B cross, C and D the. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is A. Gold is a precious metal. Third question, his brother is dash engineer. A cross, B the, C A, D N. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is D. N. His brother is an engineer. Question number 4. He is dash honest man. A, B and C the, D cross. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. N. He is an honest man. Question number 5. I saw dash on 8 man yesterday. A. The. B. Cross. C. And D. A. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is D. I saw a on 8 man. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class. All the best wishes to you. Thank you. Bye.